Welcome to Buehler Companies, your trusted residential moving experts. We understand that moving to a new home can be both exciting and overwhelming. That's why our team is here to ensure a seamless and stress-free moving experience for you and your family. With multiple locations in Denver, Colorado Springs, Fort Worth, and Albuquerque, we proudly serve these communities with a commitment to excellence. At Buehler Companies, we treat your belongings with the utmost care, ensuring they arrive at your new home safe and sound. From start to finish, our dedicated moving consultants will work closely with you, customizing our services to match your unique needs and budget. Our highly trained moving crews are experienced professionals who handle your belongings as if they were their own. Once we arrive at your new home, our team will skillfully unload and even help you with furniture assembly, making sure you feel at home right away. Whether you're moving within the same city or across state lines, Buehler Companies is your trusted partner. Our commitment to quality service, reliability, and customer satisfaction has made us a leader in the residential moving industry. Let us take the stress out of your residential move. Contact Buehler Companies today and let's start planning your smooth and hassle-free journey to your new home.